What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Got Kickz. We are back for another video. And yeah, we do have a guest on this one. I got the homie Tony from San Antonio from the 210 Got Kickz channel. Make sure you guys go and check out his channel. He's gonna post stuff. I've already told him he needs to post. So we are at Jumpman LA. I had to show him Jumpman LA, so yeah, let's look around. All right, let's look at some of the stuff they have. Tony's like in awe because he's not used to seeing all this stuff like this. Yeah, they don't really have stuff like this in Texas. So yeah, let's look. Before we even start with the OG retros, they do still have these. Look at that, $40. They still have these. This is just insane. The center chords. I think this is the only one that they have that's really, really well priced. Then they have like the newer generation ones. And it's like suede material and stuff. Those are $135. Oh, I've never even seen this series. Dear Japanese dude? I don't know. I don't know who this is. I feel like I should know. They got that crack leather. I'll be done with that crack leather, please. That's what one. Oh, that's only $80. I forgot. 80 for these. Center cord. These are $135. A couple more of these. These are going for 90 a piece. All the mids. All right, last one right here. Dude got mids. Plenty of mids. Damn, like 6 or 7 pair of mids now. Dang. This one is $120. Those are the regular ones. SC like this on $135. Then got these lows. Wasn't everybody going crazy over the lows? So the low hype died down now. These are going for $100. Oh, $110 now. Okay. Got the Gore-Tex. These are 2 bills, I think, right? 2 bills. Brotherhoods. Easter 5s. These are $210. Green beans 6s. I keep forgetting the name. Got the lows. Is this Chinese New Year's? I don't remember. These are going for $205. 7s, the Flints. I was like, they got the cap and count? Oh, I'm dumb. Then 13s, more 13s. And then the 11s. Why are the 11s here? What the man? We need to throw this right here, right above the 13s. Don't need to put those with those. Come on now. We got the elevates right here. This is the women's section. The Jordan 1 low elevates. $135 for these SCs. Oh, I have not seen this one. Damn, material on this one's not bad. You know damn well this is gonna be an SC, like so $135 or something. I don't know. SC probably $135. Still got these 11s. Then a bunch of the OGs. Seen these a bunch of spots. All the sweatshirts, all the hoodies and stuff. $30. I did pick up a couple of these if you guys have been watching my videos. These are $90 normally. They do have multiple sizes on each thing. Or maybe they don't anymore. I don't know, but these are a couple of smalls right here. Maybe these, that's a large, right? I'm tripping, I can't see. Yeah, okay, they have a large. They have a small, so they have multiple sizes. These, I think I picked up one of these. There's a medium right here. It's an extra large. Got these XLs right here. These are the flight ones. And got more of these extra fluffy ones. The inside, the material is super nice, dude. These are fire. And then these hoodies as well. All $30, I believe. Those are normally $80. I've seen this a bunch of times. Tony just noticed something I never noticed before. Like, that looks like regular buck leather, like the pairs that we all gotten. I don't know. I want to look this up when I get home, because yeah, it does not look like Durabuck. Back in the day, they were using Durabuck, right? They weren't using Nubuck. They were using the Durabuck. But yeah, this looks like just regular buck leather. Damn, good eye, bro. Good eye, dude. And then they still have Union stuff. They just got new Union stuff right here. I don't know if I forgot to ask them if any of this stuff accidentally rang up on sale. I know the t-shirts were ringing up on sale initially. I'm gonna ask. Oh, see, this is fire. No, yeah, I don't have this one. I was like, what? They have a new? Okay. I'm gonna have to continue to monitor this to see if these are on sale. This is the rattan colorway. This never was on sale, so I might have to ask, man. I feel like a cheap ass asking, but I have to. Oh no, this is not the original one because the logo was way small. So, okay, these are newer shirts that came out. Okay. Man, look at what the workers got for you. I talked to him about the Obsidians. He was like, whatever about those, and then she got the mochas on. Dang, flexing, dude. I just got these sandals on, man. These fools got the mochas on. What the hell, damn, dude. Check out the Shiekh. Oh, you guys don't have Shiekh over there? Oh, they don't have Shiekh out in Texas, so let's look around. Do got a ton of Jordans. The green bean 5s, 6s, 1s. Nothing too crazy, to be honest. All right, hope you guys don't get have a seizure while you guys are watching this, because the light is going crazy. But yeah, they do got these. Haven't seen these. Too many spots. Chic. I think this is the only place I've seen these. Okay, got them. The Legacy 312. So this is their new Jordan section right here. That used to be their Jordan section. They're redoing it. They're putting in a basketball hoop, I think. Basketball court. Yeah, they're putting in a basketball court. Oh, they haven't put in the hoop yet. You can see the free throw and stuff. Free throw line. That's a short free throw line. All right, let's go check out, I don't know, 1 or 2 spots? I don't know. Let's go check out some more spots. All right, Foot Locker next door. God dang, it's loud. Like pressure washing everything. All right, let's look. The homie Guru Bodega, he asked if I see one of them, let him know. Nah, they don't have his size. They only have an 8.5. That's the only one they have. Dang, I didn't know size 12s were so hard to find in these. All right, what are these? $160. Multiple colorways of the Griffies. I'm a fan of this one, the USA colorway. These are pretty fire. Then the retros. Nothing like we haven't not seen. I guess stuff that we have seen plenty of times, so not gonna go over those too much. Do got these right here, 36s. Okay, these are what, 185? Okay. Apparently I should have bought one of the slides from the other spots. Do I want to walk around with one of these? One of my boys needs one of these. They're all going for 15. All those victory slides, I think that's what they're called. The victory slides. Yep. I don't know. They got those for 20. These are Asuna's going for 40. Normally 45. Do better than that. I'm about to buy more slides soon. There's Tony doing his thing. First time he's ever came to LA, so yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to him before we're done with this to see what his thoughts on how the stores are like. Whoa! Oh shit! What the hell? All right, so we might be back here. I don't know. That was weird. But yeah, we might be back here. He's gonna take a look at some mids. So yeah, let's go see if they got his size. Big old size 12. The Gore-Tex ones?
Yeah, but then again, I don't know. I feel like the material would just.
Supposedly, I know that it's like super soft suede, so I don't know how that's gonna be waterproof. Apparently they treat it with something.
Yeah, it has that like that.
Yeah, that Gore-Tex stuff. Yeah.
Water, but once that has to wear away, I would imagine start absorbing.
Yeah, you would think.
You know what I mean?
I don't know, but yeah. So apparently they don't have any size 12s on these. That's what he was looking for. So yeah, so we're all done. All right, officially done again. All right, let's go. All right, we might have gone back there the third time. We might, but he got some Jordans for his girl, and then a sweatshirt, the $30 sweatshirt, and then I was like, hey, you better use the survey coupon. I gave him one of my survey coupons and saved another $10. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right, now we out. We're finally out. Tony, what was your thought of Jumpman LA and just what we see out here?
It's dope. It's dope, man. They had a lot of stuff that we don't have in Texas, and unfortunately, not my size, but still dope to see. It was a good experience too. They had unions sitting around, different stuff.
I know.
Yeah, like I said, even just walking around, it was different. But we got different stuff.
Yeah, I always tell people I feel bad because like in LA, like I'm able to show all this stuff, and then people like who live in Connecticut or somewhere, they're like, hey, I don't get any of that stuff.
And like since I drive everywhere, there's some states I stop in. The nearest Nike outlet's like 500 miles away, so yeah. I know what y'all mean now.
So now that we know that you are traveling, you know, we did talk about it. You're going to be throwing up a bunch of videos from Nike outlets that you've been out to different parts of the country and stuff, right? That's pretty dope.
Yeah, I need to get to editing and stuff, but yeah, I'm trying to go different Nike outlets. Trying to go, yeah, depending where I stop at, whatever state I'm in. I'm hoping I can Uber there or something, get a ride or something.
So, all right, so check his channel out, you guys. 210 Got Kickz. I'll throw his link in the description, stuff like that. He's a collector just like me. That's kind of why I started following him, because he's just about sneakers and stuff, not necessarily about resale stuff. He's up there with me, the worst reseller, because he'll give stuff out to people for retail and stuff just like me. So that's how I was like, okay, I messed with him, because he's terrible at that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you guys check out my channel, check out his channel, and you know, follow the link, all this. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, see you guys next one. Yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.